Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I wanted to just have a little bit of fun with some simple daffodils, and I thought they would be perfect in these two containers. So this is quite nice glass that I've got, and it's quite heavy duty. So they are going to create a really good base for our little bunches. And when you buy daffodils, they tend to come in like bunches of 10, and you can buy like a little bundle. I actually like them when they're like this, so you get like a little mass of flower. So we've got our daffodils, which are smelling lovely, our vases, but I also wanted to use these, which basically are pipe cleaners, but on the thing they're saying chenille stems, but I just think these are really fun and interesting. So for all that our containers are quite simple and our flowers are quite simple, we can do something with this and make it a little bit more interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some water into our vases. And you really want to fill these up, right up. And I will fill that up completely once we're ready. And then we can just put our flowers in. So what I've done is I've just moved the rubber bands up a little bit just to basically bring them together, but not too tight. And then we can just add our flowers. So even like that, that's quite fun, but it's lacking a little something. So what I want to do is just bring in a little bit of, see now we could do different things. We could have them so that they're kind of side by side, or you can do one off side. It's quite interesting. And with these chenille pipe cleaners, you can leave them straight, you can bend them, but what I thought would be quite good is that we can actually incorporate them down into our flowers, and the flowers will hold them. Because these are nice and soft as well, they're not really going to damage them, but we can start to bring them in a little bit of an interesting way. And I think when you think of spring flowers, you think of strong colours and things being fun. So this is the type of thing you maybe could do with children, just to get their interest, get them excited. And you can do different things with these. So what we could do is we could curl them round and get interesting shapes. You could even make shapes by bending them. There's different things you could do with these pipe cleaners, which I think are really fun. What I want to do is just keep them more like a straight line, because I think that's quite interesting. So we're not going to overdo it really. We'll just work a few of these to create like a frame. And these are so simple for just twisting together. And I have to say, these have been in my toolbox for a long time, and I've been waiting to use them and waiting to use them. And of course, now is just the perfect time with these lovely daffodils because of the colour. So this will take a little minute just to create a framework. What I really want to do is kind of have them so that they kind of keep their line. So rather than this change colour to the other and they alternate, is really just have it so that the blue is still going up and the other one's still going that way. So these ones are kind of fun because they've got like a stripiness to them. But sometimes the most interesting things are the things that you find in children's sections. So like in IKEA, for example, the children's bit is quite fun, like for beads and just materials to create something different. And you can see that we can start to work this and make it into something interesting. Need to get up into here. Now you might want to combine a few different things. So like you could put in a little curly bit. That's okay. It's not a problem. But I would just say don't have too many things on the go at once. You're possibly better just keeping it quite simple. The saying that I do like that. So I'm saying this is going to be fun for kids, but it's fun for adults as well. So maybe if you get them and then you don't let the kids play with them, but they see that you're playing with them, you're going to be in trouble. And I think we'll just put another blue one up the top. Now I really don't want to make this overly complicated or fancy. We just want to have made really a simple arrangement that anyone could make and you could have in your home and just enjoy. And this is really it. This is all we need to do to create a fun, colourful arrangement, just to make people happy, to make your family happy, and just to enjoy making as well. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick but simple video, and if you have, click here to subscribe. We have new videos every week, and if you tap the bell, that'll keep you up to date, and we'd love to see you here and have you join us for our next video. Take care and see you soon.